Second term, Unit 5 Interconcept, Part 9. In this video, we are going to learn about Exercise 5.4, Fifth Sum.
One more part is there, ma. This fifth sum, it's very important but it's very easy. Just you observe one sum. Remaining sum and all you can do by yourself. See, fifth one, write the 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 parts of the following. இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம 1 rupee 10 rupee எப்படி match the following பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, like that 200 rupeesக்கு 3 பார்ட்ஸையுமே கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். என்னென்ன பார்ட்? 1 by 4 பார்ட், 1 by 2 பார்ட் and 3 by 4 பார்ட். இந்த 200ன்ற ஒரே ஒரு இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு இந்த 3 பார்ட்ஸும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி each and every sum we need to find all these parts, right? So fifth sum, let us start to do. See here, for 200 rupees we need to find all the 3 parts. So just mark it this as a A. Okay, first la A போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? Let us do this sum. இப்போ நம்ம A க்கு வந்து 200 into 1 by 4 parts தான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? Let us start to do. So rupees 200 into 1 by 4, that's equal to, yes, both comes under 4 times table. Cancel it one time and here 4 5s are 20, அதனால 50, right? Step by step முடிச்சிருங்க. So while getting practice only, you are all familiar with this. So 50 into 1, rupees 50 is the correct answer for here. Come to the second part. அதாவது 200 into half part கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். As usual, rupees 200 into 1 by 2, both comes under 2 times table. So 2 1 time, here 2 100 times. 2 into 100, 200. Okay. So 100 into 1, rupees 100. Fine. Okay. Come to the third part. அதாவது 200 into 3 by 4, isn't it? Once again, both comes under 4 times table. இது நம்ம first partலே செஞ்சிட்டோம். அதாவது A partலே 200 into 1 by 4லே கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா? The same here also we have to cancel it one time and here 50. So 50 into 3, 5 3s are 15. So rupees 150. So இப்போ நல்லா பாருங்க, first ஓட value rupees 50, second ஓட value அதாவது அதில் half எவ்வளோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 100 rupees, 3 parts எவ்வளோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 150 rupees. So 50, 100, here 150. So our answer is right. Usual procedure, ma. That is, we are going to find out for rupees 10,000 now. So அதில் A கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். A means 1 by 4th part கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? Just you have to multiply, that's it, by cancelling up and down. So 4 is the common here, isn't it? So cancel பண்ணுங்க. 4 one time. For 10,000 ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you can do direct division method also, or else do here itself. So 4 வந்து first 10 இருக்கு இல்லையா, 4 வந்து 2 times வரும். So 2 அங்க போட்டுக்கங்க. Remaining 2 will be go to the next, join with next 0. So 20 வரும். So 4 5s are 20 வந்துரும். So remaining 2 zeros will join up. That is rupees 2,500. Right? Just you check it here. So answer will be rupees 2,500. Like that we need to find out for the other sums also. See here, 1 by 2. If we cancel it, you will get 5,000. So 5,000 into 1 is equal to rupees 5,000. Right. Come to the third part. This one C, that is 3 by 4th part கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். ஏற்கனவே 1 by 4 கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். The same will be come here. அந்த ஏங்கிறதுல கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் இல்லையா, அதே தான் இங்கேயும் கேன்சல் ஆகும். அதாவது 2,500 வரைக்கும் the same step. Now we need to multiply with 3. Right? Answer will be 7,500. Right? Just do by yourself and check it, ma. Sum A part, that rupees 8,000 into 1 by 4. Right? So 8,000 into 1 by 4, that's equal to 4 is common for both. So 4 one time. Here 4 2s are 8. So 2 will be come up and remaining 3 zeros just join it. That is rupees 2000. Right. So 2000 into 1 rupees 2000 is the correct answer. Come to the B. Yes, B part. B sum, that is 8000 into 1 by 2. Right. Here 2 and 8 comes under 2 times table. So 2 one time. There 2 4 times. 2 4s are 8. So 4 அப்படியே போட்டுட்டு அந்த 3 zeros just join it. So 4000. So 4000 into 1, that's equal to rupees 4000. Come to the C. Yes. Here we need to multiply with 3 by 4 as it is. So இங்கே 1 by 4 ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா? Like that you cancel it for one time. Here 4 2s are 8. So 2000. But in this 3 will be there, isn't it? 3 இருக்கும். So 3 into 2000, that's equal to 3 2s are 6. So 6000 will be the correct answer, ma. Okay. Just do all this calculation. Then only you all familiar with this sum, right? Sum A part. So 1 by 4 கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். See here. So 24,000 into 1 by 4. See in this 24 and 4 comes under 4 times table only, that is 4 one time. Here 4 6 are 24. So 6000 will be the answers here. That's equal to 6000 into 1 rupees 6000. Right. So come to B sum. So 24,000 into 1 by 2. So 24,000 into 1 by 2. Just start from here and both comes under 2 times table. So 2 one time. Here 24 under how many times, ma? Good, good. So 2 12s are 24, isn't it? So 12 times. So 12 அப்படியே போட்டுட்டு 3 zeros just join பண்ணிருங்க. That's it. So 2 12s are 24. 12,000 into 1 rupees 12,000. Come to the C. Yes. Here we need to find out for 3 by 4 part. So 24,000 into 3 by 4. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே 4 ஆல cancel பண்ணிட்டோம். A sumலயே நம்ம பண்ணிட்டோம் இல்லையா? So the same procedure. 4 one time. Here 4 6 are 24. 6000 வந்துரும். So 6000 into 3 times. So 3 ஆல் multiply பண்ணோம்னா 6 3s are 18. So 18,000 will be the answer here, ma.